Greetings, wonderful traders. I'm bringing to you very important NASDAQ trading tips. So just watch the video till the end. So what you need to know is that NASDAQ, it is a very active, or it is a very volatile asset. So when you trade it, you need to trade it with care. So the first thing that I can give to you, it is that you should be in love with lower time frames. If you are trading NASDAQ, you should be very in love with lower time frames. Why am I saying that? It is because the only way to find a very good entry, it is not just focusing on your higher time frame, but it is also checking what the lower time frame is telling you, because we know that the higher time frame, it is just a summary of what is happening in the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, there is more elaboration. So that's why you should check your lower time frame as often as possible to get those possible entries, to get those very accurate entries. You see, because if you will focus on a high time frame, you will not have the elaborated picture of the price. You will only have the summary. So, and even if you get an entry in the high time frame, let's say maybe the price goes against you with one candle, you will find that large amount of your capital are being wiped. So that's why I say go to the lower time frame to find those good entries, because a move in the lower time frame cannot cause that much damage into your account than a move in a high time frame. So the second thing I can tell you about NASDAQ, it is that you should be in love with trending markets. You should be in love with direction of the market other than taking reversals, because if you are taking a reversal, you need to be sure that now the market is taking the opposite move. So to be sure that the market is taking the opposite move, you need to know that that is associated with the risk, because it is easy to spot a trend than to spot a reversal. A reversal, it is mostly clear once it has already occurred, but at the time of its occurrence, it is not clear, because there are still questions that what if the price is going to continue its initial direction. So if you have a reversal strategy, it is very dangerous to trade such assets with a reversal strategy. So you need to use a momentum strategy, a strategy based on the direction of the market. I remember there was a time in the beginning of this year and even earlier last year whereby the NASDAQ was just moving all the way up. It was just moving all the way up, not going down, not going sideways, just going all the way up. So people who are trading with reversal strategy, those are the people who lost a lot of money compared to people who trade with the momentum or with the trend. So make sure that the strategy that you use, it is a directional strategy based on a trend, based on the momentum. So another thing, if you are an aggressive trader, I urge you that you change your strategy, you change the style you trade. If you are aggressive, you do not have to trade with aggressiveness in this asset. Why? Because it is very volatile, so a small move can bring a big damage in your account. So you need to be patient, you need to be gentle. Every trade that you take, it is a trade that you know that, okay, this is a trade, I'm sure it is going to make it. There are more chances of it making it than it not making it. So that's why I say, if you're an aggressive trader, make sure that you try to be gentle when you analyze this asset. You try to be gentle when you trade this asset, because it can mess up with your account. So those are the only tips that I have for you. Thank you for watching this video.